All right, we've gotten out of Lake Blausi and we made a pit stop at Interlaken because we wanted to get a couple of things, and Sangeeta found something.
So we came here because I wanted to buy these woolen घर पे पहनने वाले footwear which was there in our Airbnb. I loved it so much. So here they are. The Airbnb person told us where we can find these. तो हम आए थे इन्हें पिकअप करने और साथ में हमें दिखा ये This is Magnum raspberry. I've never seen it. क्या pink lemonade? Sorry, I don't know why I thought raspberry. Oh, because photos है. Photo में है. But let's try it. Akshay is not a very big fan of white chocolate, and it's also for a tuta. So, but that's okay.
Oh, that's all right. I think the stick. No, it'll break.
It broke actually. But that's okay. It looks beautiful. This is how it looks like. So let's try. I'll try.
Yeah.
Love it. So it's raspberry lemonade.
Okay.
Like it? Like it?
लेमन ज्यादा है, रास्पबेरी कम है और रास्पबेरी अंदर है.
Center is raspberry. Love it. I mean, ऐसे आइसक्रीम फॉर्म में तो कभी नहीं खाया. But it tastes like a lemon sorbet type. I would give it a solid 7 out of 10. You? Akshay doesn't like it. I knew he wouldn't like it a lot. But here it is. In case you are here, you should try it. We have tried quite a few of Magnum flavors, but original being favorite because we both like it.
Yes.
But this was good as well.
It was a good experiment. I think. Give me the middle part once, maybe. Let me see if it changes my opinion.
No?
So anyone who's seen our macarons taste test video would know I don't like overtly sweet.
But it's not. It's citrusy.
It's citrusy, but the sweetness of the raspberry which is cutting through it is not really something that I'm enjoying a lot. So I think if any of you are true raspberry fans, you'd love it.
And white chocolate and lemon. I do love it.
Yeah. All right. Now we'll continue our journey. So we've come to Grindelwald with Sangeeta humming Nana song.
Oh, Nana, Nana, Nana.
Sing the actual lines.
Why did you ghost me? क्या?
The lovely promises were fake.
The lovely promises were fake or what? Nana, 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 Nana.
So we're in Grindelwald and we're not going to do much here. We're just going to take a leisurely stroll through the city. और संगीता के देसी कारनामे नहीं रुक रहे. दिखाना क्या कर रही थी? हाँ,
दिखा रही हूँ, रुको रुको, देखो इधर. I've never smoked in my life. This is the closest I'll come.
तुमको मैग्नम चढ़ गया है क्या?
Yeah.
So the Grindelwald is at the foothills of several alpine peaks. Eiger Monk, Jungfrau, all of them accessible from here. And it has rained and it's extremely cold. But it's a beautiful town. Small village in fact.
तुम्हें फ्रंट डोर से जाना था,
नहीं.
तो बैक डोर.
The front of this shop is named as back door.
I think we should stop with the bad jokes.
Look at this bench.
I want
What?
Grindelwald's finest grilled cheese.
ठीक है.
So the Eiger.
And they have some problem with the machine unless have cash.
Shall we have it? So between the first and the second, we have been debating on whether we want the one with the baby spinach or we want the one without. Sangeeta.
I also want hot chocolate.
Okay. Just because you're wearing a beanie, you don't need to be a baby.
I'm not a baby, but I want hot chocolate. Yes.
ठीक है. Let's order. So Grindelwald's finest grilled cheese and one hot chocolate, please.
Small or large?
Or small will be fine.
Do you guys want cream on?
Do you want cream on top? Yeah. So they gave us marshmallows because they didn't have cream.
Yum. Love it.
And all the cold weather is giving Sangeeta all the dry skin.
Yeah, it's peeling, right?
Yeah. You need some really thick moisturizer because we never planned for it to be this cold.
Have Akshay.
Alright. I had a marshmallow, it was so tasty.
Yeah.
Sangeeta, not only you like the hot chocolate, I think your nose also liked the hot chocolate.
Sorry.
Yes, it's still there a little bit.
वो हॉट चॉकलेट का लास्ट में चाट के खा रही थी तब शायद.
It's, now we are waiting for our sandwich. Yes, some sauce would be good. Thank you. See, have a look. And she's getting some sauces.
Wow. It's fab.
Thank you.
So much.
Sangeeta, the sandwich is here.
And it smells just like the fondue.
Oh my god. Tell us,
Wow. Love it.
how's the Eiger cheese?
Where do you get this cheese?
I don't know. So basically, what does Eiger cheese mean? It means cheese which has been made in Eiger with the cows who probably graze in this region,
yes, and
right?
goats and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
It's so good.
Is it better with the mayo, mustard mayo? Or is it...
Not mustard.
It's not mustard, it's plain mayo?
This is mayo
Okay.
and chili, and this is chili.
Oh, mayo and chili and sriracha. Alright. Give me a bite.
It's
Mm.
yum. or
Yum.
not? Yum.
It's different. It's not the same.
It's not.
You said it's like the fondue cheese. It's not.
Yeah, it smells like that. It's aged. So look at the cheese. Look at the cheese oozing.
Yep.
Come, let's see.
So guys, we've decided to cut short today because it's extremely rainy and monsoony, and we had plans to go to 2 more places which we are cutting short today, and we'll do it tomorrow. We'll see. This vlog would remain a continuation, but for today, let's end it here. So until tomorrow, toodles.